Ensuring that your child stays hydrated is key to their growth, energy, and overall health. But with so many options available today, it can be hard to know what's truly best for them. Today, we'll walk through the best drinks for kids, what to limit, what to avoid, and tips to encourage healthy hydration habits. We'll also discuss why juices, though popular, are not always the healthiest choice. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ananta. I'm Dr. Shreya Dubey, a pediatrician on a mission to help every kid reach their highest potential. First, let's talk about why hydration is so important for kids. Water makes up a large part of the human body, and staying hydrated helps with digestion, nutrient absorption, temperature regulation, and overall energy levels. Children are often active and tend to lose more water through sweat, so it's crucial to replenish those fluids regularly. So what is the best drink? The best drink is water. Yes, you heard it right. Water is hands down the best drink for kids. It is calorie-free, hydrating, and helps to keep the body functioning properly. Encourage your children to drink water throughout the day, not just when they're thirsty. So how to make water more appealing for kids? Add fruit slices. Adding slices of lemon, orange, or berries can make water more fun and flavorful. Use fun cups or straws. A colorful cup or a silly straw can go a long way in encouraging kids to drink more water. Next on the list is milk. Milk is packed with essential nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, and protein, which support bone growth and overall development. For children aged 1 to 2, whole milk is recommended to support brain development. After age 2, switching to low-fat or skimmed milk can still provide the necessary nutrients without the extra fat. Just make sure you're not giving too much milk to your child. If your child is lactose intolerant or if you prefer non-dairy options, then calcium and vitamin D fortified plant-based milks like almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk are great alternatives. We have extensively discussed animal milk in another video. Do have a look. Now let's talk about fruit juices, a popular choice among parents and kids alike. While juices might seem healthy because they come from fruit, they are not the best option for regular hydration. Here's why. Even 100% fruit juice contains a high amount of natural sugars. Drinking juice regularly can contribute to weight gain, tooth decay, and an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The sugar content in juice is comparable to that of sugary soft drinks, which makes it a less than ideal choice for kids. Whole fruits contain fiber, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar and keeps your child full. Juicing removes most of the fiber, leaving behind only the sugary liquid. This can lead to quick spikes in blood sugar levels and doesn't provide the same satiety as eating a whole fruit. Juices, even when natural, provide calories without offering the same level of nutrients and fullness as whole fruits. So instead of serving juices, try offering water with slices of fruit for natural flavor, or encourage your child to eat the whole fruits only. That provides extra fiber and essential vitamins. Next is herbal teas. For parents looking for variety, mild herbal teas like chamomile or ginger or tulsi or mulethi can be offered to older kids. These teas are caffeine-free and can be soothing, especially during cold and flu season. Serve them warm and unsweetened or with just a touch of honey if your child is more than 1 year old. While it's important to know what's good for your kids, it's just as crucial to understand what to limit. Sugary drinks, sodas, and artificially flavored beverages are not healthy options for children. These drinks are high in sugar and can lead to weight gain, tooth decay, and other health problems over time. Many parents think that sports drinks are good for hydration, but they are generally unnecessary for kids unless and until they are engaged in prolonged vigorous activities. These drinks often contain high amounts of sugar and electrolytes that a balanced diet and regular water can easily provide. Energy drinks should be completely avoided due to the high caffeine content and other stimulants that can be harmful for our children. Let's debunk some myths around the so-called healthy drinks. Packaged fruit-flavored drinks often claim to be healthy but are usually filled with added sugar and artificial ingredients. Always read labels carefully. If the product lists fruit-flavored or contains added sugars, it's not as healthy as it may seem. Similarly, many flavored water products marketed to kids are loaded with artificial sweeteners. When in doubt, plain water with a splash of real fruit juice is a better option. Let's discuss some quick tips to keep your kids hydrated and healthy. Make water easily accessible. Have water bottles filled and ready to go, especially when heading out for activities. Set reminders. If your child tends to forget to drink water, set reminders or make a game out of it, like drink breaks during playtime. Lead by example. Children often imitate adults, so make sure they see you drinking water and choosing healthy options. Also, hydration needs vary depending on age, activity level, and weather. On hot days or during active play, remind your kids to drink more frequently to stay hydrated. Now, what to do about special occasions and treats? It's okay for kids to enjoy a sweet drink on special occasions. The key is moderation. Limit sugary or flavored drinks to only special occasions. Ensuring that your child stays hydrated with the right drinks is one of the simplest ways to support their health and well-being. Water, milk, and occasional small servings of 100% fruit juice or herbal teas can keep your child hydrated and energized. Remember, moderation is key, and making water the primary drink is the healthiest choice you can make for your child. I hope this has answered some of your questions and you like today's information. We'll be back next week with another topic. Please let us know in the comments below what you would like me to talk about in the upcoming videos. If you like this information, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.